Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we have some fresh, officially confirmed details about the Nintendo Switch 2. Unlike speculative rumors, this information comes directly from FCC filings, revealing key upgrades and features of Nintendo's highly anticipated next-gen console. With leaked shipping data and manufacturing manifests surfacing over the past few months, we've had glimpses of what to expect. However, these new regulatory documents confirm much more than we previously knew, providing insights into performance, connectivity, and even new hardware functionalities. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the Nintendo Switch 2 and what these updates mean for gamers. Nintendo Switch 2 FCC filings reveal crucial upgrades. Nintendo must submit FCC filings before launching a new product, and these filings confirm some exciting details. The Nintendo Switch 2 will support NFC, which means it will retain compatibility with Amiibo figurines, ensuring seamless integration with Nintendo's ecosystem. The NFC reader remains located in the right Joy-Con, just like the original Switch. Another game-changing upgrade is the addition of Wi-Fi 6 support, significantly improving download speeds and online gameplay stability. While some may have hoped for Wi-Fi 6E or even Wi-Fi 7, Wi-Fi 6 represents a substantial leap forward compared to the archaic Wi-Fi 5 found in the original Switch. This means better online connectivity, smoother multiplayer experiences, and faster game downloads. The dual USB-C ports. A major convenience boost. One of the most practical enhancements is the addition of a second USB-C port located at the top of the console. Unlike the original Switch, which could only be charged via the bottom port, the new top USB-C port allows for simultaneous charging and gameplay. A small but highly convenient quality-of-life upgrade. Beyond charging, the additional USB-C port also opens the door for expandable storage and accessories. This means players can potentially connect USB-C SSDs for extended storage, allowing them to keep a massive game library without relying solely on microSD cards. Given that modern AAA games continue to increase in file size, external SSD support could be a game-changer. Docked mode performance and cooling improvements. The Nintendo Switch 2 dock is expected to introduce a new active cooling system, which suggests that the console will be able to run at higher clock speeds while docked. Leaked CAD renders indicate that the dock will incorporate a built-in cooling fan, potentially enabling higher resolutions and frame rates for docked gameplay. This aligns with previous reports that the gap between handheld and docked performance will be larger than on the original Switch. Expect a smoother, more powerful gaming experience when playing on a TV. Nintendo's filing also indicates a potential power increase when docked. The Switch 2 is rated for a maximum of 15V, but documents mention an AC adapter capable of 20V, suggesting faster charging and potentially more power delivery when connected to the dock. Enhanced multiplayer and online gaming with Wi-Fi 6. One of the biggest pain points of the original Switch was its slow download speeds and inconsistent online connectivity. The introduction of Wi-Fi 6 addresses this issue, offering better bandwidth and lower latency for online gaming. While it does not include Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7, which offer even faster speeds via 6 GHz band, the improvement over Wi-Fi 5 is substantial. Nintendo isn't known for implementing cutting-edge networking hardware, but this upgrade should make a noticeable difference for players downloading large game files or engaging in online battles. Backward compatibility and Amiibo support. Amiibo support was expected, given that Nintendo is making the Switch 2 fully backward compatible. While some specific games, like Nintendo Labo and Ring Fit Adventure, may have limited compatibility due to unique accessories, the vast majority of Switch titles should be playable on the new system. Backward compatibility ensures that the massive library of existing Nintendo Switch games will carry over, making the transition to the new console seamless for existing players. New possibilities with attachments and accessories. The extra USB-C port also introduces the potential for new accessories. There have been rumors about attachable cameras, secondary screens, and even smartphone integrations. Patents have surfaced showing possible clamp-on devices, including a dual-screen setup reminiscent of the Nintendo DS. While it's unclear whether Nintendo will pursue this route, the presence of an extra USB-C port certainly leaves the door open for new functionalities in the future. Improved storage and expandability. Storage has always been a concern for the Switch, especially as modern games demand larger file sizes. The Switch 2 will likely support microSD Express, a newer and significantly faster storage format. While current microSD Express cards offer up to 1 TB of storage, Having a USB-C SSD option via the new port would provide even more flexibility for players with extensive game libraries. This storage expansion is particularly relevant given Nintendo's recent partnership with Activision, which ensures Call of Duty will be supported on Nintendo consoles for the next 10 years. With large game files becoming the norm, the ability to plug in a high-speed external SSD could be a significant advantage. Why these upgrades matter for the future of the Switch 2? The Nintendo Switch 2 isn't just a minor refresh. It's a significant step forward in terms of performance, connectivity, and usability. These improvements suggest that Nintendo is not only addressing past limitations but also preparing the console for long-term viability in the gaming industry. With a confirmed release window set for 2025, anticipation is growing as Nintendo fans eagerly await an official announcement. The biggest takeaways from these filings include Wi-Fi 6 for faster online gaming and downloads, dual USB-C ports for charging, storage expansion, and accessories, improved cooling system for better docked performance. Backward compatibility ensures support for existing Switch titles. Potential new attachment capabilities via the extra USB-C port. Final thoughts. Are these features enough? Nintendo has always prioritized innovation over raw power, and while the Switch may not compete directly with the PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X in terms of hardware specifications, these confirmed features indicate that Nintendo is focusing on versatility and usability. The combination of improved wireless connectivity, more flexible charging options, expanded storage, and better docked performance makes the Switch 2 an exciting upgrade. What do you think about these confirmed features? Are you excited about the Wi-Fi 6 upgrade? Do you think the extra USB-C port will open up new accessory possibilities? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Nintendo Switch 2 updates. Thanks for watching Techno Trend Zone, and I'll see you in the next one.